Are you struggling with weak or breathy notes? Your vocal cords might not be connecting properly. But don't worry, I've got 2 simple vocal exercises to help you sing with more strength, control, and clarity. Let's get started. Exercise 1, Balanced Onset. The first step to a strong vocal cord connection is mastering a balanced onset. This means starting a note without too much breathiness or tension. Here's how it works. Pick a comfortable note. Start the sound with a clean, controlled A, like this. A, A, A. Now you want to avoid a breathy hey, hey, hey. And you also want to avoid a harsh glottal attack like this. A, A, A. You want to aim for a smooth, balanced onset. A, 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 A. Belinda's going to demonstrate the exercise in her mezzo range for you. Okay, let's start a bit lower and gradually ascend in pitch. When it's comfortable for you, join in. Now, let's reinforce that connection with a fun little exercise using the word GOOG. G-O-O-G. Why GOOG? Because the G sound encourages clean vocal cord closure without strain. Say GOOG on a comfortable note. GOOG. Now keep it bouncy and connected, no breathiness. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take it up and down on a short scale. I want you to focus on keeping each note clean and precise. Here's a quick demonstration by Belinda.
Goog, 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 goog. Goog, 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 goog.
Okay, we'll start the exercise lower for the altos and then gradually ascend. Join in when it's comfortable for your voice. Feeling the difference? These two exercises will help you build a stronger vocal cord connection, so you can sing with more power and clarity. Now, if you're wanting to sing with more power and clarity, check out this video now.